Paramashiva is the name and the work dedicated to Sri Mailaralingeshwara. Mallasura and Mahisasura were the two brothers who caused the trouble and challenged the god to stop them. Lord Shiva became a Sri Mailaralingeshwara, a brave warrior, and he fought through a battle and defeated the uh, demons and brought a feast, showing that goods always wins the evil. Parvati Devi became a Gange during the fight and opened her tongue and sucked all the bloods. Lord Shiva fought against 7 crores peoples, and throughout the entire land the blood has been floating. That blood was being sucked by Gange, that is Parvati Devi.